Find the missing angles here. So this first one says angle B, that's this guy right here. The question is, how many degrees is he? Well, we know all the angles in a triangle add up to 180, and we know 1 and 2 of those angles, so we can find that missing angle. So if we say 180, take away angle A, take away angle C, what are we left with? You'll find that we're left with I believe 50, or no, excuse me, 30, 35 is 65, 115 degrees. So the answer here is 115 degrees when you subtract them all away. 115. Why is it doing that? Okay, come on. 115 degrees. There's our answer. All right, let's try this next one. Angle F. What is it? We don't know. So we do know that all the angles of a triangle add up to 180. What is this guy? 90. All right, so now we just do the same thing. 180. Take away 90 for the right angle. And take away 20 for that other angle. And when you do that, you should be left with 70. So the answer to here is 70 degrees. What about this one? We have all these angles. It doesn't give us anything, but it tells us they're all equal. So we have 180 degrees to give, and we have to split it 3 equal ways. Well, if you divide it up, you'll get 60 degrees for each angle. Each angle there has to be 60 degrees because it says they're all equal. And if they're all equal, they all have to be 60 to add up to 180. Last one, angle L here. Question is, what is it? This is kind of a two-step problem. If this is 130 degrees, you can figure out that this one will be 50 degrees there, right? Because they're on a straight line, they add up to 180. So take that away from 180, you'll figure out that's 50. And then we know 2 angles of the triangle, and we're trying to find that third. So we can just do 180, take away the 50, take away the 65, and when you do that, you're left with 65. So the answer is 65 degrees. Last one, angle VWY, this angle right here. If we know this is 40 and this is 80 inside the triangle here, then we can do 180 minus 40 minus 80, and that gets us 60. So this tells us the inside angle of that triangle is 60, and we know that these two angles over here have to add up to 180. So if they have to add up to 180, if you do 180, take away 60, you get 120 degrees. For this problem, you could also use that last proof we did on the other page, which said that this angle plus this angle equals the outside angle. So you can kind of use that shortcut to say, oh, well, 40 plus 80 is 120, if that rings a bell.